Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with League of Legends. You are getting the error of VCRUNTIME 140_1.dll was not found. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed directly with the resolution. Open up your browser and I'll share the link of this particular website. Scroll down and you need to download the latest version by clicking on this download option. Save it into your desktop. Now once the file is downloaded, open it and unzip the file VCRUNTIME 140_1.dll by drag and drop. Now right click and choose the option copy. Now head over to this PC, C drive, Windows and syswow64 folder. Here it is. Double click to open it, right click and choose the option paste. If it is asking you to provide admin privileges, go ahead and choose the option continue. Once pasted, again open the Windows folder and this time open System32 folder. Again right click and choose the option paste. If it is asking you to replace the file, go ahead and click on the option replace the file. Again click on the continue option to provide admin rights. Once this is done, close it and don't forget to restart your PC and try to play the game. If this failed to work out, right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here appwiz.cpl and hit the enter key. Now here first of all find DirectX. I have not installed it, that's why it is not available in my PC. If you have installed DirectX, go ahead, click on the DirectX option and choose the option uninstall. Once it is done, next thing you need to uninstall is Microsoft Visual C++. These are all the programs that I have installed in my system. So make sure you uninstall each and every program with the name Microsoft Visual C++ by choosing the program and click on the option uninstall. You need to uninstall each and every program of Microsoft Visual C++. Once installed all the programs, nextly open up your browser and here is the DirectX download link. Scroll down and click on the option download. Save it into a system. Same thing, choose Microsoft Visual C++, scroll down and click on this link for the 64-bit version and save it into a system. If you have a 32-bit, choose this particular link. Once downloaded, you need to install both these programs one by one by double clicking, accept the terms and conditions and installing the Microsoft Visual C++. Once it is completely installed, again don't forget to restart your PC and this will surely fix out the issue of League of Legends VCRUNTIME 140_1.dll was not found. So this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.